Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the J22 Report. I'm your host, Johnnie Market. You all know that drill. Hit that like button and subscribe if you already haven't. And the other thing, too, is some people have been talking about missing my videos. I think sometimes they're subscribed to so many things that, when 15 videos come all at once, it can get buried. So also hit the notification button where you're on Rumble or YouTube, so you don't miss a video. So hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And I was also gonna say, disclaimer: this is not financial advice, just my opinion on the markets. So let's get into today's video. I'll share my screen, see what I'm sort of up to right now. You get to see. So let's go in. The economic data today: New York Empire State Manufacturing Index came in better than expected, -6. It's really still bad data, but tomorrow's retail sales. See what else? Industrial production, and there's a couple other things. I don't feel like reading everything, but if you look at it, I don't really see too much. But markets, as I said, it's an election year. They're going to do everything they can. The stock markets are up and do everything they can to keep these up. Micron, Intel, doing very well. But yeah, it's sort of that's all. Gold was smashed down today. I'll even just do GLD so you can see it. As I said, the economic data is not bullish for gold, so you're going to see, look at this GLD down in the next couple of months. I think that will turn. But I came across something. I mentioned this in the video. I couldn't find it. Zero Hedge is where I originally found it, but look at it here. Uh, this is a right-wing extremist publication called The Hill. Even Jay Powell doesn't believe the job number. So why should we? Why should we? So anyway, let's I'm gonna go normal and just look at somewhat distrust and the data used to back up their rosy claims. Let's see. So let's see. When even Jay Powell, Chairman of the Federal Reserve, suggests that the numbers are somewhat bogus, distrust in the White House says read on the economy and the data backed up their rosy claims. Like, yeah, this is a big deal. Like, not even the deep state's believing its own stuff. That's unreal. And this is public. This is I'm not an insider. I'm seeing it right here. Uh and then look at this. Here's an insight from Mr. Powell. Who really needs to get out more? Everything costs too much. Yeah. One reason Americans are unhappy. So let's see. Job gains have been revised down for 10 months in 2023 by a monthly average of 51,000. In some months, the figures are radically different. In June of 2023, for instance, instead of adding 209,000 jobs, it turns out the economy adds 105. Well, I remember I talked about this. I think the expectation was like 160, 175,000 jobs. If they reported 105, that would have really set the market different. And so that's why they're doing the revisions to make it look like the economy's booming, to prop up the markets, and then they'll just revise it down to the poor number it should be. Sometimes they do that, sometimes they just the this year overstatements as have revisions. In January, the government reported that we had increased employment by 353,000 was revised down to 256,000. Of course, what they don't tell you is none of those jobs go to American citizens either. February is marked down for a lesser amount from 275 to 236. So the revisions continue. Substantial reporting errors do not inspire confidence. Last week's report drives more questions. Yeah. So yeah, you see this. So in his press conference announcing the Fed will continue to hold interest rates steady, the chairman admitted the employment data. There's an argument that may be a bit overstated, but still strong to see gradually cooling. So yeah, this is big deal. The Fed does not believe the numbers being put out by the BLS, and yeah, that's all I have to say. So just remember, that's all I really have for today. So I'm not going to belabor my point. I'm a little beat and tired. So hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you next video.